Welcome to YouTube channel. Wish you happy new year. 2022 has been started. Wish you all the best for your bright future. Hope you will achieve your dreams in this 2022. So in this video we will be discussing how exactly to select ACF mains. I mean the optional subject that you need to select. First of all, congratulations for all those who have cleared the prelims and have entered the main stage, and this is the golden opportunity that you can achieve or you can get into a group A services, which is one of the best service. Within 10 or 15 years of promotion you will be in a position of IFOS, that means Indian Forest Office Service. By writing UPSC or without writing UPSC you can get into this service. So who have cleared the prelims, please do ensure that you will be in the final list. So in this video we will be discussing how exactly we will be selecting the optional subject. Before that, we will try to understand what exactly is the pattern for mains examination. So here I have given the screenshot of both BSc forestry graduates as well as the other forestry graduates. There will be a Kannada paper which will be of qualifying nature and it will be of 100 marks. And English paper the same as Kannada, it will also carry 100 marks. And the general knowledge paper 100 marks. They have given it for forestry as well as non-forestry. Then comes the paper 1 forestry and paper 2 forestry only for BSc forestry. Now for other forestry, that means other than forestry, what will be the optionals? Totally they have mentioned some of the optionals. Those are botany, geology, mathematics, chemistry, physics, agriculture and civil engineering. And in this ACF Assistant Conservator of Forest mains examination, your whole score or your chances of being in the final list will be decided based on these optional subjects only. So it is very necessary for you to choose the optionals very wisely. You should first understand what exactly is the syllabus. Okay, so I will be suggesting few of the things you just keep in mind. Those who have cleared recently the PWD AE examination or who have prepared for PWD AE examination conducted by the KPSC, and they feel that if their civil engineering is strong, then please do opt for civil engineering as one subject as your optional. The other subject which you need to choose, I will be discussing it soon. And those who have been opted for mathematics as an optional subject in your UPSC mains, please do opt for that. So for those candidates who have cleared this examination having mathematics or civil engineering as an optional, it will be a benefit for them because they will be having an edge over you for mathematics and civil engineering. Now we will be discussing how exactly you will be selecting the optionals, those who haven't read any of the subjects from this. First of all, my suggestion will be go for agriculture. Why? Because see, if you see all of the subjects, these are all subject wise or matter wise. You can't write each and every subject like what you have seen in your real life, but agriculture is not the same. You can, even if you don't know any of the things, you can apply your mind and you can observe your nature and you can write something so that you can gain or fetch 1 or 2 marks, and that will be more than enough. So agriculture is the best option. And why agriculture? Agriculture because in UPSC mains also there is an agriculture subject. So what you can do, you can check the syllabus of ACF agriculture and UPSC mains agriculture. I have seen it and both have the same syllabus. In preparation, what you have to do is you have to collect all the ACF mains examination previous year question papers as well as UPSC mains examination previous year question papers of agriculture, and just compare those papers. You will be finding that most of the questions are similar to the UPSC mains. So how can you prepare? You just need to prepare all the previous year question papers of agriculture and some of the very minute syllabus so that you can write it in your mains, because in ACF mains there is only 100 marks, not 500 marks as of UPSC. So it will be easy for you for writing the mains. So my suggestion for each and everyone is that please do select agriculture as at least one your option. At least one subject should be agriculture. Next coming to the second, how can you select the second optional? For civil engineering and for mathematics, those who are optional, please do leave. For second subject, what you have to do is you have to compare in between the zoology, botany and physics. But my suggestion is don't go for physics, because in physics it will go a huge depth, and but if at all anyone is very much interested in physics and who have read physics thoroughly in their degree and all, you can opt for it. But do remember that physics in degrees as well as in any of the mains examination, it's literally different. Before opting for physics, first you do check the syllabus and the previous year question papers of UPSC mains, not of ACF. Check of UPSC mains and compare it with the physics of ACF mains. If at all you are familiar, you can go it. But my suggestion is check for botany and zoology, because comparatively these syllabus are less. Now, how to prepare for these subjects? As same agriculture, do opt for collecting the question papers of UPSC mains and ACF mains previous year. So after having the question papers with you, do compare the syllabus and check the questions whether there is something that is sinking in between these question papers. Depending on that, do read and please do ensure that you will get at least 50 to 55 marks so that you will be in the list. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please do comment. But make sure at least you have agriculture as one of your optional subject. And before leaving, please do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you and wish you very happy new year. Hope this year will be full of joy for you, and you will ensure that your dreams are come true. Thanks a lot.